These are standalone Samoan pronouns. By standalone, I mean it's a simple sentence where O is a marker showing that the phrase is about a noun, person, place, thing, or idea. And a'u, for example, means I. That's the pronoun that means I. So, oainga aileme ai, oa, I did. O oi, o ia, o ima ua, o ita ua, o olua, o ila ua, o imato, o itato, o oto, o ilato. Reflexive pronouns is when you just reflect back on the pronoun. So oa'u is I. The word lava intensifies words. So in this case, if I say oa'u lava, then I mean myself. You, o oi lava is yourself. Them, o ilato, themselves, o ilato lava. So on a Samoan Monopoly game, if it asks you how to say ourselves, o imato,